and welcome back to Pinterest TV. A TV console not only provides a sleek design, it also acts as a focal point in the living room. It becomes the center of attention, creating a visually appealing space. Do you know that a TV console is not just a piece of furniture? A TV console serves a vital role in your living room. It acts as both a storage and a stylish addition to the entire space. A TV console provides ample space for store media equipment like wires and unsightly cables. A TV console adds a touch of luxury to the living room, elevating the overall aesthetics. Whether it is sleek, modern, or contemporary design, or even a wooden TV console, the right TV console can truly transform the living room into a sophisticated and stylish space. TV consoles contribute significantly to the overall aesthetics of the room. They not only provide functional storage solution for media equipment and accessories, they also add a touch of style and elegance to your space. With a variety of style, color, and designs available, homeowners can choose a TV console that complements their existing decor. From sleek designs to more modern or traditional wooden TV console, there are a wide range of options to choose from. The right TV console becomes a great addition to the room, enhancing its aesthetic appeal and creating a focal point that ties the entire space together. TV consoles are a great addition to any living room. Your living room storage should not only look good, but they should also serve functional purposes. Consider what kind of storage your space will be needing and how this additional storage can enhance your style. It is also essential to match your living room storage with your lifestyle preferences. So whether you have a busy family with lots of items to be stored, or you are a minimalist looking to declutter, the right storage solution can make all the difference in the world. When it comes to storage, it is important to identify your specific needs. Make sure to assess your current living room storage situation so that you can determine any gap or areas to improve. Consider the volume of the items you need to store, whether it's media equipment, whether it's books or decorative objects. Take this into account. Take into account the size of your living room and how much additional storage spaces will be required. Are you looking for a quick view storage like open shelves or concealed storage like cabinetries? If you understand your storage needs, you can then select a TV console that provides the right amount of storage space and functionality for your living room. After identifying your storage needs, it is also important to choose a TV console that complements your existing design. An avid gamer, for instance, make sure to consider a console that can accommodate your gaming equipment and controller with additional shelvings for game and accessories. By selecting a TV console that aligns with your lifestyle, you can ensure that it not only meets your storage needs, but also enhances the functionality and design of your living room. Coordinating your TV console with other storage solutions in the living room is essential